Girl, where you dey hide? Every weekend na house arrest. I'm not hiding. I'm healing. For 3 years. Free wine. I'm not hiding. I'm healing. Healing for 3 years. Men are full working. I'm a stress is no the end. Come with me tomorrow. I can beg. Men are stressful, Chioma. You never meet the right one. Art species no day again. Come with me. Free wine. I'm begging. Come with me tomorrow. Art gallery opening. I beg. Free wine. Free wine. Okay, I'm coming.
You look absolutely stunning tonight.
Thank you. This is perfect. To us.
To us.
Not really.
Me too. But everybody here pretending.
Exactly.
I'm Tunde.
Amara.
You understand the painting?
Not really.
Me too. But everybody here pretending.
Exactly.
I'm Tunde.
Amara.
You look like someone that hasn't smiled in a long time.
That obvious.
A little.
Men have caused emotional
I apologize on behalf of my gender.
Accepted.
So you've really been single for 3 years.
Yes. How you survive?
Relationships never last with me.
Something like that.
How you survive?
Peacefully.
I'm impressed.
And you?
Relationships never last with me.
Why? Sleeping problems. Are you awake?
I am now. What's wrong?
This one no be snore on a generator. Jesus Christ! This one no be snore on a generator. You almost destroyed my house with snoring.
That bad?
My ancestors heard it. You almost destroyed my house with snoring.
That bad?
My ancestors heard it. Tunde? Tunde? He keeps sleeping. It sounds like 2 voices. Heart pounds. Help me. Help me. Help me. Are you sure?
Yes.
Because yesterday night, it sounded like someone else was in the room.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What is that sound? I have to check on him. Are you okay? 3 years?
I had an accident.
What kind?
Car crash. I died for 2 minutes.
What? 3 years?
I had an accident.
What kind?
Car crash. I died for 2 minutes.
What? Like what?
People say the room feels wrong.
Lights flicker slightly.
After that, strange things began happening when I sleep. I know I've made mistakes.
Mistakes that hurt.
I want to make it right. It's not that simple. You stay.
Tunde!
Like the rock.